What's the meaning of colored? Colored. Colored.
Colored. Colored. The word colored can have different meanings depending on the context. One meaning is to describe something that has been given a particular hue or shade through the application of pigments or dyes. This could refer to anything from a painted picture to a dyed fabric or even someone's hair. Another meaning is to describe people or things that are not white or of European descent, often used as an alternative term to Black or African American. In this context, colored is considered outdated and potentially offensive.